The moon went achoo! It was a big sneeze. Dust flew everywhere. Down on Earth, Leo and Mia looked up. "Did you see that?" gasped Leo. Mia nodded. Something was strange. The next morning, things were very peculiar. Pancakes floated in the air. Cows bounced like beach balls. "This is weird, even for us," said Leo, dodging a flying sausage. Mia giggled. They had to find out what was going on. Leo and Mia put their thinking caps on. "The moon sneeze," said Mia. "Maybe it's cheese dust. Everyone knows the moon is made of cheese." They built a giant ladder to the moon. It was made of jelly beans and licorice, their favorite. On the moon, they met Mr. Gruffle, a grumpy goat. He was making cheese, but it was extra stinky. The smell made the moon sneeze. Leo and Mia gave Mr. Gruffle flowers. He smiled the first time ever. Mr. Gruffle promised to make stink-free cheese. The moon stopped sneezing. Everything on Earth was back to normal. Hooray for Leo and Mia. They learned that even the biggest problems can be solved with a little creativity and a kind heart.